Welcome back, everybody. We're finally getting started on tearing this sucker apart. Yay. I'm gonna get stuck at one point because I have to go rent a tool or buy a tool to pull the harmonic balancer, and I don't have one of those. And from what I understand, there's like a few different styles, and I gotta find out. If O'Reilly's or AutoZone or Napa or whoever else is around here has the right kind that I need. And if not, then I'll have to buy one, which is fine. Because I'll probably use it again some other day. Maybe not on this engine, because once I put that sucker on, this sucker right here, probably not coming off. Well, it would come off when we do the bottom end of the engine, I guess, because it connects right to the crankshaft, so I guess it's not true. I will use it again. My luck, I'll probably need a different tool to take that one off. We'll see. Who knows? Only one way to find out. Yep. So, here we go. I'm gonna set you up over here on the tripod thing, and we're gonna get right into it. All right, so we got our battery disconnected. First few things we're gonna do, we're gonna pull the windshield wipers off, get this plastic panel out of the way, and then there's like a strut bar here that it's not connected to the struts, but strut bars on these things are pointless. If you don't know, you don't know, that's fine. They look cool, but people have tested that rigorously, and this freaking steel crossbar that goes across here takes the brunt of the load, so putting a strut bar on this does virtually nothing other than look cool. So I don't have one. Extra weight that I don't need. Anyway, we're gonna pull all that off, and then we're gonna take the intake out, intake manifold after that, and that's gonna take a little bit. So, yep, let's get going. Now, I have a tool to pull these windshield wipers off, but apparently you can just push down on them and break the seal. Maybe I'm a bitch. Okay, shit, dude, these things are on there. God, fuck the people. Ow! Hit my head on the freaking thing. Maybe that'll knock some sense into me. Why? Damn, bro. I don't want to break it. Well, oh, that's interesting. We're gonna have to try something else. You know what? I saw a video saying that you can push down on those and pop them off, but that's probably only on the newer Challengers and Chargers, and they don't make the Magnum anymore. Sad. Kind of happy though, because mine went up in value. It's worth more than I bought it. Like, I don't know, I bought it in 2011 and they've appreciated in value, which is kind of funny. So I could really, technically, I could resell this for at least break even, maybe a little bit of profit. But what we need is a flathead, because I gotta pop these caps off of here, and then there's a nut underneath to just unbolt them. So, easy enough. Let's do that without breaking stuff. Yeah, that's not. They're designed different. There's these little things that hold or that protect the nut. It's good. Protect your nuts. Always protect your nuts. Rubber keys. Boom. Bada bing, bada bang. All right. Now, what I'm doing, oops, sorry. What I'm doing here is I'm putting all these things in baggies. Where did I put those? I've lost my baggies. No, I didn't. They're over here. I lied. They're right here. They're right here. See, Ziploc. Sponsored by Zip. No, just kidding. Just kidding. So, I need one of those. Need that smaller one. And we're gonna label this wiper hardware. Because I don't know what I'm doing. So I imagine I'm gonna have a pile of stuff here at the end of this and not know where any of it goes. So I'm making things to label it. That way I can put them all back in the order I did, or I took them off, and I won't lose anything. We'll see at the end of the video if I've got a bunch of extra bolts and nuts and whatever, and that would suck. But hey, you know, that's life. That's the way it goes sometimes. We're prepared. We're prepared for anything. All right, that's a big nut. What is that? Probably like a, I don't know. Maybe like a 16 mil? No, it's more like a 13 probably. That's too big. Just a wee bit too big there, sir. Let's see, we got other sockets. What is this one? 14? Oh, it's about a 15, I think. It's must be a 15. That'll do. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Lefty loosey. Easy peasy. There we go. That's 2. You know what though, I think I still have to push down on those things to get them off right. Because, yeah, just because. So let's see if we can do that. Hey, easy work. Easy work. Oh, not so easy on this one. Where's my... Oh, I messed up the side of the car. I can't really get a good angle on this sucker. That's the problem. Maybe if I come over here. Nope. That's not gonna work. Oh, this one's stubborn. I just can't, I need to like climb in my freaking engine bay is what I need to do. And I just might do that. I just might do that. Let's see. Why has it gotta be right in the middle of the car? That just seems kind of annoying. Not seems, it is annoying. Because here I am, annoyed. Here I am, annoyed. Dude. Alright, we're Spider-Man time. This is ridiculous. I just want to take my wiper off, damn it. Damn it! Ow, that hurt. Damn, bro, why has this gotta be like that? I'm gonna stick my head out the shaker. See, that's why I cut a hole in the hood so I can do this. Bruh. Bruh. Man, that fucker is on there. Okay. Okay. Dude, why doesn't this one want to come off? Another one's no problem. How are these suckers in there? Well, it's pretty simple. It's just like a grease fitting kind of a thing. Who knows, maybe it's like weather welded on. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Break it with a hammer. Maybe that's what we'll have to do, is just smash it. We'll just give it the old smash ringy. Come on, you dirty bastard. Hey, Yahtzee! There we go. I just had to not be a sissy about it. See, that's, part of the thing about not knowing what you're doing on this stuff is like, I don't want to break stuff. So it's like a learning experience. You got to figure out how much pressure to put on without breaking things. So yeah, I just didn't put enough pressure on it. We're good. We're good now. Don't need to label these because I know what they are. Well, left and right would be kind of smart, maybe. I'll just label one of them. That way we don't have a problem. See? Good old masking tape. Oops. My pops taught me when I was a young feller. He was like, you probably don't remember all the stuff you're gonna take off a car. And why even bother? Just use baggies and masking tape. So, that's exactly what we're doing. Shit. Which one was left and which one was right? Okay, that one's driver's side. That one's passenger. So, we're good. Probably figure it out anyway, but no, I don't have to worry about it. I ain't got to think about it. Driver. See? We labeled it. Yay! Hey, this is my system. Make fun of me if you want. Use it if you think it's smart. But hey, I know it works, so you don't like it, I'll beat you with a wiper. Or beat myself with a wiper. Damn, I'm gonna poke somebody's eye out with that. Yeah, I've got these crappy Rain-X blades on here. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought these. Because I really only like Bosch. Bosch makes really good wipers. They were probably just too expensive at the time and I was cheap. Bet you that's what happened. So we'll set these suckers over here. Over here on my nice and organized, messy, clean shelf. Boop, boop. Yeah. Anyway. Next, we've just got to pull some panels off. And I've got my, where's my rivet stuff at? Here we go. Dude, these kits, I don't remember when I bought this. It was a long time ago. But check this out. Oh! Oops. Don't check that out. Forget that. Forget that happened. Check this out. There's a whole entire like panel removal tool set in here, which is really sweet when you're trying to work on stuff inside the car. And I usually just keep these little rivet grommet puller tools. I keep those in there because it makes sense and I don't lose them. That way I don't lose them. So yeah, actually this one might be better because it's not as thick. So let's use the one that's not as thick. What the hell's going on here? What the hell's going on here, Bobby? All right. We're good. We good. We good, dog. We good. Okay. Bunch of little clips here. One. Oh, where's our trusty baggie? Where's our trusty baggie? It's not really wiper hardware for this, but it all goes on the same different. It all goes on anyway. And I don't know what I'm saying. One and the same. I was trying to say that. It's all one and the same because. Oh shit. Oh man, these crusty old clips. Whatever. I got extras lying around. Probably will have to use them. Because some of those are pretty old. Maybe just a little bit more gentle. Won't have any issues. Man, look at this. They're getting pretty chewed up. So, whatever. If we have to replace them, we gotta replace them. Just part of the deal when you're taking apart a 20-year-old car. Damn, is this car it's almost 20. That's crazy to think about. To be honest with you. Pretty crazy. Oh God! This one's bad. Rip. Rip. That's alright. That's why clipsandfasteners.com exists. Pretty sure that's the website. So, what else is here? Oh, there's another one over here. What is this? How can you believe this thing stayed in the windshield for almost 20 years? I'm impressed. I'm impressed that never fell off. To be honest with you. Another clip. And then, oh, and then there's screws on the top holding it in, so we gotta do that too. But, that's it. Feels like something in there. It's holding that on too. I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna unscrew this. Whatever, I'm gonna unscrew this and go from there. RB screwdriver. This one's not big enough. It's not big enough. Big Daddy, here we are. This is what we need. That's what we need, boys and girls. Exactly what we need. Can you still see me? Okay, good. Okay, I lied. This one's too big. I don't even think that's a screw now that I'm looking at it. It might not be. Might just be another rivet thing. Oh shit, it's just like falling apart though. Maybe I shouldn't even take this off. Might not be a good idea. Is that just dirt in there? Huh. I don't think that's a screw. Screw me. This is really what we need, this little guy. Oh yeah, that's just spinning. Why is it? Huh, weird. I'm like digging a hole in it, it's just kind of falling apart. See, this one definitely looks like a screw over here. But same kind of deal, man. It's just kind of falling apart, so fuck it, let's just break it out of there. Oh. Okay, confirmed. It's not a screw. What a weird clip. Look at this. Great. I can't break those because I don't know where you buy them. They're probably like 50 bucks from Dodge because you know how OEM crap is. Those dicks. Alright, well, whatever. At least we know they don't screw in. Makes it a little easier to take out. It's just like old plastic, you know? This sucker's still held in there by something. There's another clip that goes over there on the edge. Oh shit! Almost dropped all of these. That would suck. That would suck. Alright. Getting there. Okay. Look at this little guy. Jeez. There's all these little fragile plastic clips on this thing that I hopefully don't destroy in the process of removing it. But, and you know, technically, from what I learned, you don't even have to take this off. The reason I'm gonna, or that I am, is because this whole entire bar and little weather panel strip thing, it's in the way when you're trying to pull the heads out of here. And it's already tight enough in there anyway, so it's better that we do this. It'll make it easier on us. It'll make it easier. So here we go. So here we go. All right. See, I didn't mess these up too bad. They're all right. I think we'll be okay. Now we just gotta pull this sucker off. What do you think, Callie? What are you thinking? Huh? Yeah? Gonna help me? She's like, no. She's like, I'm thinking about food or running. Because that's all I think about, Miss Callie. Miss Callie says, all I think about is running and food, Dad. So, I'll bet you money there's some clips underneath too that we gotta pull out. Oh, okay, the whole thing has clips built into it, so that's cool. I'll just be careful. See? That's kind of careful. Oh, we missed a rivet here, though. I missed a rivet here, though. Where's my handy-dandy rivet tool? Right here. This right here. There we go. One last rivet clip thing. I don't think they're called rivets. They're just plastic clips. But anyway. Alright. Alright. Woo. Now this whole entire thing should just come out all nice and easy peasy. Like so. Sweet. Sweet! I'll just set this over here. on the ground. And actually, I'm gonna put it over here on the ground because I have more space over here. Excuse me, Callie dog. And there we go. All right, so that part's done. Oh wow, that's some like old, gross. Look at this nasty. It's like a rubber seal and it's melted. Doesn't smell like anything, which is good. Whatever, taste it. It's probably cancer. Get your daily dose of cancer here on Automobuilds. Oh, it's like glue. No bueno. I don't want that crap on my hand. It's kind of nasty, to be honest with you. A little nasty, to be honest. And this strut bar, it's got a whole deal. Is this a clip or that's actually another rivet we can pull out. Oh, see, these are way better style. Like, you can reuse them. You just have to separate the first part and then pull it all the way out. And then they don't break. So, we're good to go. We're good to go. We got our windshield wiper hardware. We got this piece that's supposed to go in there somewhere. And I think we'll be fine. This panel goes there too. Fits right there like so. Just right there like so. Perfect. Perfect. You know what, I really don't need this thing anymore because it kind of just gets in the way. To be honest with you. Just kind of gets in the way. And what, I mean, if I scratch the car, I can just buff it out or something. Anyway, it's not like this is brand new. Got plenty of issues to sort out. Now this thing should just come right off. Oh, I lied. There's one more clip here. And now that's good. All right, sweet. We'll be able to reuse that one too. Oh, sorry, I wasn't pointing at the thing. That's fine. That's fine. All right. All right, now let's see. That comes off. Hey, there's my ECU. I didn't know that that's what that was. That's kind of cool. Check this out. Check this out. People. Gotta unscrew this, sorry. I don't want to put my finger over the mic though. Okay. See? ECU right there. So anyway, we have to take these out to remove that bar. And these two on this side. And see how this connects right to the strut housing? It's essentially the same thing as a strut bar. These, you know, a guy took a string, added a strut bar, tied the string across, video recorded it, and the string didn't flex at all under like really hard cornering because of this giant strut bar that comes built into the car. Gee, who'd have thought? Anyway, again, they look cool. I get it. I get why people put them on, but I'm not about like just aesthetic stuff. But if they're not functional, then I'm really not that interested. Given I did have a shaker, I do have a shaker, but it's functional. It actually blows cold air from outside onto the intake. So that's useful. Gets my engine bay nice and dirty though, quite a bit, which is, you know, a whole different situation, but that's fine. I don't drive this every day. I haven't driven it for a while because it was broken. It's broken, which is why we're fixing it. So Let me see, those are probably 10 mil. The old trusty 10 mil that we all love and adore. No, that's more like a 13, isn't it? Oh, it's darn right, it's a 13. Money. Excuse me. Where's my 13? Marty, 13 mil. Here it is. Found it. Oh, that's not the right socket for this though. This little guy. Look at, isn't that kind of cute? Wait. Yeah, we want to loosen this. Oh, Jesus. I need more leverage. I need more leverage. Not that little dinker. We don't want to use that little dinker. I know I got 13s up here that are not so small. And here we go. That's what we need. Oh. Wait. I was trying to tighten it. Maybe that was the problem. Wait, why is this? Am I stupid? Oh, that's the right way. It feels like I'm tightening it, but I'm turning it left. Damn, just a bit rusty. So I have an idea. I've got an idea. Got an idea. What was my idea? Oops. My idea is to get an adapter. So big to not so big. I don't know if I have one. It's just too freaking small. It's too small. Where the hell is my 13? What's this one? Okay. Screw it. I guess I'm just gonna do it the hard way. It is coming out. There's one. Oh, well, there's the problem right there. Half of it's rusted out. Which makes sense. It's been on there for a long time, so. Fine. No big deal. I don't want to break the bolt, though. You know what we'll do? Get a little Kano coil on there. Just let that sit. This stuff is the shit. This stuff is the shit. Alright, that should get down in there. Nice and great. Easy work. Nice and great. Nice and great. Who says that? Who says nice and great? It's nice and great. Whatever. I like to make fun of myself. It's kind of funny. Oh, come on, you shithead. That's why they give you these nice little straws. So you can get in there when you need to. There we go. That ought to do it. Damn, this thing's really rusted on there. And I don't want to like strip it. So, I'll just get it off a little bit more. And I should, let me see if I can tighten it up a little. Oh, fuck. That didn't sound good. Not at all. That didn't sound good at all, boys. Yeah. That's not good at all. We're just gonna let that rest a little bit. We'll go see how the other side is. Oh, this is way better. Some of you might be wondering why I'm not using an impact drill. It's because the one I have is like 750 foot-pounds and it'll just rip this stuff right off, and you can't have that. Don't want to break it. Definitely don't want to break it. These ones aren't as bad. Yeah, look at these. Nice and rusty, just like the other one. You know what I should do though, since I got these. We're just gonna spray them all down with this stuff. Maybe I won't do that on the floor because then I'll slip and fall on my face. So, I'll just do it on a little paper towel. Paper towel. That's what we'll do. There. I'll just leave those sit. This whole episode is just gonna be me taking this stupid strut bar off because it's freaking weather welded onto my car. Whatever. If that's how it is, that's how it is. Because we just gotta do it one way or another. We gotta do it. I don't remember where I put my socket wrench, which is kind of funny. What did I do with it? Anybody see it in the video? Here's my lid. I just had that thing. What did I really don't know where, oh, here it is. I lied. It's right here. Dude, this one's not cooperating at all. I feel like if I push it any harder, I'm gonna snap the bolt. Damn it. I can tell it's not safe to do that. So. Oh, well, might just have to let that thing soak for a little bit, honestly, because I feel like I'm even bending this part. Not the wrench, but you can feel the flex in the metal when I turn it, and that ain't good. So I gotta think about it. Really, the only thing I can do is put some penetrant spray, some penetration oil on it. Because, yeah, see if I can get it down in the bolt more, like on the actual threading itself. And I think I have a small flathead here. It might be great at assisting in that. Yeah, see this little toothpick looking thing? This little toothpick looking thing ought to help us get that right up. If I can just move the bolt and then wash it out of the way a little. Maybe get it under there. Nope. Apparently not. Oh, there we go. Almost. There we go. Crack open. Drink her up. Drink it all up there, boy. All right. So we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. Here's my Goon Squad cleaner stuff. Here we go. Thanks, Goon Squad. Appreciate it. Don't appreciate the fact that I didn't win the Trackhawk Hellcat combo, but hey, congrats to the guy who did. I have a Trailhawk and a Magnum, so whatever. It was kind of I feel like a jerk even for entering that, to be honest with you. Because there are people out there who need that way more than I do. I don't know if this is good for your skin, but you know. I look kind of young for how old I am. I'm an old fart. So, drink your... What is this? Your all-purpose cleaner. Yeah, well, maybe if I work that a little bit. Back and forth. It's not moving at all. That's just not good. Wow. I did not expect that bolt to be stuck. My could hit it with an impact, but I'll probably just shave the bolt off, and then I gotta get an extractor kit, which I don't have. I have like a top bolt extract. Like if you strip a bolt, I have an extractor kit for that, but I don't have like a drill, like the drill and weld a freaking thing to fix that. I don't want to do that. So I think I ought to just give her a good camo coil drinking and just let it sit for a little bit. Really, that's all we're gonna do for now. I'm gonna let it sit. We'll come back. There's some other stuff I can start taking off here too, so that's probably what we'll do. We'll just let that sit for a while, and then as soon as I need to take the intake manifold off, that's when I'm gonna have to get that out of the way the rest of the way. So that's no big deal. I can pull off the intake and sorry. You pull off the intake. Oops. Here we go. There's too many mics on this thing. I don't want to like plug the audio because I did that one time and you couldn't hear what I was saying. Not that I say anything important, but you know, hey. Oh boy, I almost fell. All right, so I take the intake manifold off, the intake itself, and then we'll we'll take the rest of the rust bar off, the rusty strut bar. It's free weight reduction when your stuff rusts. Did you know that? Just saying. So let's do that. Where's my other little GoPro thing? I have a stick. I have a GoPro stick. It's kind of cool. You want to see it? Here it is. See? It has like it only goes out that far. You can like make it small. But the cool part about it is this. Check this out. See? It has a deal on the bottom. It opens up like a little tripod and you can like set it on stuff, or you can close it and use it as a selfie stick. It's kind of cool. I actually really like it. It's made by GoPro in case somebody's like, oh, where do I get one of those? Well, GoPro, because it's GoPro brand. And honestly, it was like the best purchase I've made for this whole entire little camera system, if you ask me, because I use it a lot. And then this tripod I use, it's just a Amazon Basics thing. It has like a little twisty deal, can go up and down. Whatevs, uses all the same mounting hardware as GoPro does. These little fins. Yeah, so that's that. I don't know why I'm sharing that with you. Just figured you might want to know. Let's take this sucker off. I just need a screwdriver for that. Got plenty of those. This one ought to do. This ought to do. So here we go. Unscrewy dooey. You know what I'm gonna do though? I'm gonna flip this screen around. Maybe. Like I said, I'm gonna flip this screen around. Actually, I don't even need to take that off. This one needs to go. Because that's what holds it on. And really, I just need to take it off up here, to be honest with you. Yeah, all the rest of that can just stay. We'll take that off. We'll take this clip out. There's the red lever right there. Maybe you can just get this in there. Boop. There we go. Now that should come off. I think. Is it not open enough? I'm pretty sure it's open enough. Maybe it isn't. Oh, maybe I have to push down on that. Not be stupid. I think I do. There we go. Gotta get that out of the way because my catch can kind of blocks it. That must be like a mass. What do they call that? It's an air something sensor. It's an air something sensor. Okay, this thing's gotta come all the way out, I think. Because yeah, it does. I'll take that off. Ew, look at that oil that gets in there. How the hell does that? That's why you get a catch can. What is that oil? Nasty. Why is there oil in my intake manifold thing? The intake deal. Well, that's definitely oil. Smells like oil. That's interesting. Here we go. We'll wipe it off on this. It's where the bolts are getting all nice and cleaned up. Ish. Should get like a parts washer. That'd be handy. Bet Harbor Freight's got one I can snag. Yeah, so we're making progress slowly but surely. We're gonna take this sucker the rest of the way off, which I think I'm probably just gonna undo this bolt and retighten this so I can, that makes sense. That makes more sense actually, to take this bolt off here. So that's what we'll do. Callie, hey, Khaleesi, leave that. You don't touch that. Come here. Yeah, you can't. That's not good for dogs. You don't sniff over there. Come over here. You want to go inside, sweetie? Will you go inside, please? Come on. I'll go in with you. Okay, good girl. Good girl. Sorry. It's not your fault. I put stuff on the floor. That was stupid of me. Can you sit down? Sit down. Like a good girl. Yeah, sit. You can sit. Come on. Sit down. There you go. That's a good dog. That's a good dog. We give you a little head scratching. I don't want to get you dirty. Okay, I'll be back. Love you, dog. Love you. I love you. You're my favorite. See you soon. She's like, Dad, you're crazy. Yeah, maybe I am. You know what they say. If you're one step ahead, you're a genius. If you're 2 steps ahead, you're crazy. So, whenever people tell me I'm crazy, I'm like, hey, thanks, dickhead. Okay, so I'm gonna take that off. And probably just set this up right here so you guys can see. So y'all can watch me take it off. Who wants to watch me take it off? I do. Alright. Here we go. You just need to take that bolt off there. Yeah, it's the same size as the other ones I was working on. It sure is. Oh, this could be a knuckle buster. There we go. Didn't bust my knuckle because I used the open hand technique. Ooh, this bolt's nice and shiny. Oh, there's a little spacer on it. I didn't know that. Stay tuned while we unscrew this 5-foot-long bolt here. Holy crap. How long is this? Oh, there we go. I spoke too soon. Okay. Intake manifold. This is the intake itself. Cold air intake removed. Well done. Well done, sir. Oh shit, don't lose the hardware. Don't you dare lose the hardware there, boy. You know what we'll do here, because that's all one piece. We don't want to lose it. And there's no nut we can put on the end of it because it's a stud inside the thing. Right there. That's where it came from. That's where that goes. Can't really screw that back on. I could screw it into the head, but since we're pulling the head off, I'd rather just do this. Okay, watch. Take this tape, this old masking tape, and we're just gonna go like this. Oops. Just put that up there. It's kind of tricky to do this one-handed, not gonna lie. So just go like that. And then that's not going anywhere. And we know what it's for. See? Happy birthday. Thanks for the trick, Dad. Yep. I'm sure a lot of people do this, so nothing special. We'll put the old K&R take. Here on Automobuilds, we like to invent our own words because the English language is already crazy, so I might as well spice it up a bit. All right, next, we'll be taking all this crap off and that thing over there, which is being a problem. Look at our problem child here. We got our screwdriver mounted in there. We got the cano coil soaking it up, and hopefully that fixes the issue. So, that's probably all for today's episode on Dragon Ball Automobuilds. And yeah, we'll just keep at it. Got plenty more to do. And we'll see y'all next time. Yeah, we will. We'll see you next time. Bye.